Oh, eto na. Eto na. Ayan, bago tayo magtapos, syempre kailangan muna nating marinig ang napakagandang tinig nitong nitong awitin na ito na pinamagatang alay kay Katapang. Pasok.
Mga desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. You're hard on. I know that you've got your reasons. Things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow.
Ulitin natin ha. General Katapang, ikaw ang nag-imbento ng kantang to. What goes around comes around. Ito para sa'yo. Inawit po ito ni Ray Valera, straight from Benguet.
Mga desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. You're hard on. I know that you've got your reasons. Things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow.
Yan! Palakpakan, napakagandang awitin mula doon sa dating... sino kaya yan? I can name that voice. I can name that voice in 2 seconds. Ayan, so General Katapang, pasensya na ha. Pero kanta-kanta ka kasi dati eh. O hindi mo alam na digital ang karma, wala pang 1 taon. Di ba, bumalik na kagad sa mukha mo yung etchas na itinapon mo. Ayan, so back to you. Baka naman pwede Katapang, tapatan mo naman tong kantan to. Sabihin mo. Kantahan mo rin si Bantag ng Hahanapin Ka. Ay, nako. Ayan. So, ang saya-saya nitong araw na to. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's such a good news. It's such a good thing and a good feeling na yung ating gabi-gabing pag-uusap-usap dito ay somewhat nagkaroon ng katuturan. At yan na nga, nag-resign na si Angie Bautista. So baka sakali sa susunod, si Katapang naman yung mag-resign.